Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay here, and before this video starts, I want to give a huge thank you to my family over at Discord for sponsoring this video. Now, if you haven't heard of Discord before, go ahead and check it out on the App Store. It's a free app to download, and what I love about this app is that it easily connects everybody from different communities, such as sneaker communities, gaming communities, car communities. I mean, you name it is on there. As a sneakerhead, it may be hard to keep up with certain releases. I mean, I get super busy, so I really don't have time to check, so I rely on Discord to send me notifications on when sneakers are dropping, what people are thinking about them, fits to wear, etc, etc. So this is a very powerful app that I personally use. So if you guys don't have Discord already and you're living under a rock, come on man, you know what to do. Hit the download link down below in the description and you won't regret it. Now without any further ado, let's get this video started. So today we're taking a look at a $1,250 mystery slash beater box. And if it's your first time tuning into a beater box slash mystery box video, essentially I buy these boxes and I basically try to flip whatever is in this box and hopefully turn a profit at the end. With all that being said, I do have a handy dandy counter up here that's going to calculate the market price of the shoes, and everything that you see in this video will be available on my website today at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. All that will be linked down below. Without any further ado, let's get right into it. Got the doggo in the background today. Butters tuning in. We got a smaller box right here. I think I'm gonna do the smaller box last. We have a slightly bigger one to open. Looks like they reused some Amazon boxes. I don't know, but we'll see how this one goes. You guys already know the tradition, and it's to not peek in these boxes, and we're gonna find out what's inside together. So let me pull out the first item here. I feel like we have only shoe boxes in here, which is a good sign. Let's see what this is. Man, I can't even get this box out. All right, what do we got here? Ooh, we got an off-white box. I'm not gonna read the tags, we're just gonna go ahead and look at the shoes. Let's get it. Okay. Alright. Oh, these are pretty worn. Size 9. Alright you guys, starting this box off strong, I guess. We have a size 9 pair of these Nike off-white Zoom Flies in the pink colorway. I'm kind of hesitant as saying starting off the box strong because as you guys can probably tell, the midsole area of the sneaker looks like it has seen some better days. Now I believe the Zoom Flies do have this like creasing problem, so it's bound to happen anyways, and I don't think that this colorway goes for much. I could be tripping though. I could be tripping. So if I were to grade them, I would probably say that this pair right here is maybe like an 8 out of 10. They don't look like they were dragged or anything. There's not a lot of heel drag. Bottoms are good. It's just the midsole that could use a little touch up. I'm sure if you get like a hair dryer or a heat gun, you could probably bang those things out. Let's see if it comes with anything else in here. Does it have a hang tag? Where's the hang tag? Do we have a hang tag? Ooh. We got a StockX receipt, 2018. This person purchased these for $312. I don't know, the insole looks pretty nice. They don't look like they had musty feet in them. It's just the midsole, so I take that back. These are actually in pretty good condition. Just the midsole is creased up a little bit. Interesting start, interesting start. Was not expecting to see those. Let's see, next up. This feels like maybe a Jordan 4 box. Jordan 4 box. Oh, Jordan 3 box. Okay. Maybe we got some black cements. What do you guys think? These are not black cements. We got some Toro 4s in the mix. These things are actually super clean. One of my favorite 4s at the moment. Whoa. I feel like this pair was maybe worn like maybe once or twice. Look at the bottoms of these things. They still have all of the stars. I believe the shoe is actually going for money, so I'm happy to see these ones. A lot of the pairs that I've been seeing of these Toro 4s are super chopped, but these are looking mighty fine. Let's double check on the size here. These are a size 10. If you guys are interested, again, shopsoultopia.com, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Hopefully this counter is looking nice. I'm assuming it's around like 450, 500-ish. So we're almost halfway there to get our money back so far. Now these boxes aren't too big, so I'm hoping we get a good shoe here. Let's see. This one is probably a Jordan 4 box. All right, probably a Jordan 4 box. Oh, man, yo, I'm just taking the L's today. Jordan 1 box, not even gonna look at the tag again. I'll let y'all peep it first, okay? I'm not looking, eyes are closed. What do we got? What do we got? These are indeed some Jordan 1s. Oh! Hold up, what size is this? These things are my size, man. I usually don't do this. I don't want to disappoint you, but these things are so beautiful that I'm just gonna keep these ones as a personal. If it messes with the total of the box, it's all good, but I don't think I could give these up, man. These are brand new, crazy. I'm definitely going to be wearing these. I don't think I want to pay the resale value. I think it might be a little too pricey, but if we're profiting and the box is looking nice, these are gonna have to be personals. I'm sorry, y'all. So we have one box left in this large box, I believe. Feels like another Jordan 4 box. What? Bruh. At this point, I'm just gonna stop guessing. Let's just... Alright, we got some gold Foamposites. Any foam heads out there? These things actually look pretty good in terms of condition. I used to collect foams back in the day. Not really my thing anymore though, but this is a really clean colorway. I like the more solid looking foams, and the gold on it is pretty nice. The bottoms look pretty good for a Foamposite. They're not super yellow. Sides are still icy, and I remember when these ones came out. Not too sure about the price. Foams are kind of weird because it's either you hate them or you love them. Like, there's no in between. It's a weird relationship when it comes to Foamposites. 4 shoes down, and we have one more box to open, so let's get to that. By the way, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button as well. I think I'm gonna leave this one in my lap. It's a little bit lighter than the other one. Oh, I know what those are. Maybe I should set this down. Bro, that infrared hit me at the corner of my eye real quick, and I was like, I already know that shoe. I've seen that shoe so many times to not know it. But we have some Jordan 6s right here, infrared 6s, and the size on this is just crazy. It seems pretty big, man. I'm gonna take a look at the size in a little bit, but first let's take a look at the condition. Condition looks not too bad. It's a little dusty on the top, but I'm probably gonna go ahead and give these things a nice cleanup before I list it for you guys. Here's how they look, and these are a size 12. They don't come with the box. Let me check the other side to see if there's any issues. No crazy issues that I can spot. Nike Air on the heel. All my Bigfoot people, size 12. What's good? So far, this has been a very solid box. We have a bag. Ooh, a very heavy bag. What's next? What? Yo, I haven't seen these for a while. But we got some Raging Bull 5s in the mix. So another size 12 in the mix, no box. And wow, these things are actually in decent condition. On the midsole, there is a little nick right there. Maybe I could clean it, not too sure. But I think the value of this shoe is pretty good. Bottoms are really nice for their age. This brings me back to the retro bright days. The Sea Glow days. These shoes just remind me of those days. So if you guys are interested in these size 12 Raging Bull 5s, crazy to get them in a box because I haven't seen these things in a while. And they're in pretty good condition, so check them out, check them out. We haven't had any floppers yet. Oh, I think we're getting down to our last couple shoes here. Feels like a Jordan 8. I spoke too soon. Maybe we got our first flopper. Wah, wah, wah. I believe these are the Phoenix 8s, if I'm not mistaken. I think these came out when I was in high school, and I don't think this shoe goes for much, but this one is a size 9, so I'm not sure how this counter is looking so far. Size 9 Phoenix 8s. The positive thing about these is that the condition on them seems pretty good. There's nothing too crazy going on over here, not crazy dirty or anything. So I still think that these could fetch a decent amount of money. Nothing crazy though. It's not going to be like anything else that we've seen in this box. Let's see if we can pull one more pair out if I felt this thing correctly. Hopefully this is not it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is the last shoe, huh? This is how we're gonna end. Last shoe. All right, y'all. At this moment, I can't calculate everything in my head. I don't know all of the market prices for the sneakers right here, but it looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs of sneakers, and we paid $12.50 for this box. Luckily, I have the current market value of all the sneakers in this box right here, and we're going to subtract our initial investment for this box, which is going to leave us with our overall profit right here. Now, keep in mind, if that profit seems pretty good, or it seems like I could take a little bit out of it, I will be keeping those Mocha ones. So if I deduct from that, probably negative, or it might be a wash or a slight profit. I don't know. But you guys let me know what you think about this box in the comment section down below. And like I said, if you guys enjoy this series, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Christmas is coming up, so early happy holidays to everybody. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I'll see you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. Have a beautiful day. I'm out. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, gotta bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa, too bad was you know they roll.